Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen the prototypes, how to use the this keyword in the prototypes and how we can override the properties from the prototypes we have seen. Now let's check another important thing in the prototypes. I will remove these all things. Okay, so here another object prototype is person, right? So let's check that console.log whether another object dot underscore proto. So we should not use this one in the production. Why? Because all the browsers will not support this method. So is it equal to person? Okay, we need to check whether another object's proto is equal to person or not. Let's try to check. We got that one as true. That means another object's proto is nothing but the person object. Okay, why? Because we have given the prototype for another object as person. Fine. If you want to check the proto of the person, okay, is equal to proto of this one or not, we will check. It's something like very long. We will check. Then also we are getting it as true. That means here you will be able to see something like chaining. You see here it's something like chaining. Another object's proto is person. Okay, we got person's proto. Person's proto is nothing but object. Okay, object's proto. So we are checking that person's proto is here object proto. Is it equal to or not? So here I am trying to explain you that in this way chaining, prototype chaining will go. For example, here we can directly write instead of proto object or otherwise like that. Oh sorry, objects proto we need to check. Okay, object proto. Okay, object will be having so many properties and all those things. So objects proto, why? Because we have created for the object, we have created object prototype. Okay, so object will not be equal to that person's thing, proto thing. Object's proto is equal to the another object's proto. If we try to run here, we got still as false. Why? We got another object dot proto. Another proto is person's proto is this one, and we will check whether object underscore proto. So we got false here. Oh sorry, we should not check with the object underscore, we should check with the object dot prototype. Okay, for object we need to check the prototype. So if we check here, we got it as true. So this is how we will be checking the object prototype equality and all those things. And here if you want to check, you can also check. I told you that we should not use underscore proto, right? So we can check another option, something like, okay, object will be having one method known as get proto type of another object. Okay, so you will be having this method is equal to person or not. I want to check like this. If I check here, I got true. So instead of using underscore proto for another object, I am checking directly object dot get prototype of another object. Okay, so get prototype of you can use safely in any browsers. Okay, so instead of using underscore proto, you can use object dot get prototype of that object, another object. So whichever the variable you want to use, you can use this one, or otherwise you can place it here Leela also. Leela also you will be getting true. Okay, why? Because Leela also has a prototype of person. So this is how we will be checking the equalities in the prototypes. So this is nothing but the prototype chaining. This all comes under it all follows the prototype chaining in the objects of the JavaScript. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.